Hi, good day to everyone. I liked really working in the media. As a parish priest, I also work in Regi Veritas and also work here in Radio Dominico because this is one way that we'll be able to reach out, especially to those who are unchurched, to those who do not go to church, to those out in the field, to those who are just searching and using the internet. Now we have to go out and reach them out. Remember, how did Jesus Christ encounter Levi, the tax collector? Not in the temple, not in the house, but in his office. Meaning that Jesus Christ approached, reached out to these people. Because he said, how can you catch the fish? You have to catch the fish in the water, not in the market. Of course, they say you have to catch. You do not catch the fish in the market. You sell, okay, or you buy the fish in the market. But if you want to catch the fish, you have to go out to the water, and even use the word. You have to throw the net. No, but sometimes, are we afraid? Are we afraid to reach out? Are we afraid? Are we afraid to uh, encounter these people? Now, let us remember that God encounters these people because He searched for them. He sought them out, and at the same time, He encountered them. He can only find them in their place. And then when you found them, then carry them, bring them back to God. And that is what we are doing. If we are in the media, it's because we want to reach out to people who are not necessarily in the church. Thank you for listening.